The Tektronix H600 RF Hawk is a handheld signal hunter used to scan the environment, classify the known RF signals, and locate the unknown ones. Utilizing the H600 RF Hawk, surveillance engineers and field operators can quickly and effectively spot and locate illegitimate analog and digital RF transmission sources in the field. The battery-operated, rugged solution provides field-proven signal hunting, mapping, and documentation tools, offering unparalleled performance for rapid targeting of illegitimate signals. Tektronix innovation brings you benchtop specs in a handheld package. The H600 RF Hawk's touchscreen user interface is very intuitive and makes the H600 a field-friendly tool. The everyday tasks you perform are at the top level of the interface and are quickest to access. And for signals that need further analysis, the H600 provides tools for in-depth characterization. RF Hawk can perform unattended monitoring too. An extended monitoring mode with spectrogram lets you watch a spectrum for even weeks at a time. Of course, all the monitoring data is saved, and you can export it, share it, and diagnose it offline. As a dedicated monitoring tool, RF Hawk has a low noise floor and an extremely fast spectrum update rate. There's also a trace mask that lets you save signals when the mask is violated, and Trace Math, where you can find the difference between two traces from different periods of time. RF Hawk uses an internal database containing known characteristics of a wide range of signal types to do a quick comparative analysis. It then matches what it finds to the profiles in those databases. Using the touchscreen, you can also catalog signals by creating specific regions of interest. Several such regions can be created, and they can be very widely separated in frequency, allowing you to quickly zoom out to see the larger picture and zoom in to see the details. This allows you to track and monitor a large number of spectral areas. To keep the display uncluttered, regions not currently being analyzed are collapsed into bars that show at the top of the screen. The bandwidth and center frequency of the currently active region is automatically input to the database, resulting in a list of matching signal types and standards. As you select these different signal types and standards, you'll get instant readouts for frequency, bandwidth, channel number, and an overlay showing a typical signal profile. And in most cases, that's all it takes to find out what you need to know. And the database that drives this whole process is completely open, customizable, and it can be added to and/or shared among multiple users. Advanced signal processing techniques utilizing spectral correlation analysis allow deeper examination of a signal's internal makeup. These methods can be applied to a broad range of signals to expose the hidden periodicities related to unique parameters such as symbol rate, chip rate, frame rate, and carrier offset. Automatic comparison of the spectral correlation results with expected values assist in validation that the signal under test is what it claims to be. RF Hawk has a wide variety of tools designed to locate the source of a signal. The signal strength measurement produces a tone that varies in pitch with the strength of the signal. With that and a directional antenna, you can usually locate the direction of a signal in just a few seconds. To pinpoint the precise location, you can use GPS-enabled maps to take measurements and then plot the measurements right on the map. You can also draw directional arrows recording the bearings you took to determine the direction of the signal source. Often, using this method with just a few bearings, you can accurately determine a signal's location. With the RF Hawk, you can simply start off driving and it will plot signal strength measurements directly on the map at designated time or distance increments. The color-coded icons will display the relative strength of the signal. In cases where GPS isn't available, such as inside a building, RF Hawk gives you a tap, walk, and tap method of plotting measurements on a bitmap. You simply tap on the map at the start of the straight path, walk that path, and then tap again at the end of the path. RF Hawk will take measurements at timed intervals for the duration between the two tap points. In this way, you can quickly build up a signal source measurement map. With the H600 RF Hawk, you can isolate known and unknown RF transmission sources in the field easily, quickly, and effectively. Tektronix gives you this field-proven, rugged solution for signal hunting, mapping, and classification, and enables you to cope with illegitimate signals with unparalleled performance. For more information on the Tektronix RF Hawk, watch the rest of the movies in this demo series on our website. Or to get a live demonstration, call your regional sales representative.